Today is Saturday, November 15th, coming back up to do the final tie downs on this. Last week we didn't have enough bungee to properly tie everything down the way we wanted to and to double up everything, so we're going to come back up and do that. In this 1 week we did have some cold temperatures and some winds, and we did notice that the one area we need to repair is the bow pulpit poking through, which is not supposed to do, so we'll make some design changes there to repair that. So if we get this done today, we shouldn't have to come back up for several weeks. So at each junction or a stress point where the frame touches the tarp, went ahead and put a cushion on it, both up at the top and at the bottom, so that any of the rubbing and chafing will be less likely to put a hole in the tarp. So we got that going on the whole way. Added some more lines to put tension on everything so that there's less flapping going on. So I got a line here on the inside. Tension. Just enough to keep it from coming loose, not a lot of tension. More cushion. So we were able to pull the tarp across the bow pulpit, and we're thinking we got it tied down pretty good now. So what we did is at each grommet we tied a line, and from the forward going aft, from opposite end, got the same grommet with a line with a bungee in between, and every bungee is doubled up, so we have two. So we do that from forward all the way back until we get to the last third, where we actually on the starboard side are going straight to the cradle, because on the port side is where we're going to be putting the ladder. We're feeling confident that we should be able to stand a Force 5 hurricane. And maybe Force 3. And across the frame there, we got tension to keep the two tarps overlapping. Hopefully that'll be enough.